Good morning, my name is Grant and I am here at Tuscany Apartments today in Papillion, Nebraska. We are located just off of Giles Road and 72nd Street. I am here today in our Isabella floor plan unit. It is our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom floor plan. It is 1,140 square feet, and I want to take you on a tour of our newly updated Isabella floor plan. So I'm going to start here at the kitchen. We will walk in here. This is the first entryway. The kitchen features all granite countertops as well as newly updated appliances in this nice flat stovetop here. And then the nice feature about the entryway is we have this nice big coat closet with a lot of extra storage as well. I will take you into the living room now. The living room is nice and open. It's big for any parties that you want to have here, as well as this new vinyl flooring that we have updated the Isabella floor plan with. I want to actually show you the balcony now. The balcony is a nice size for any grill that you have or any patio furniture that you want to put out on it. Nice decent size here that you can store anything on here as well. And a great view of our clubhouse as well. So now I will take you into the first bedroom as well as the hallway. The Isabella features a washer and dryer. This is included with any unit here at Tuscany. And then the bedroom is all updated with new carpets as well as these nice double closet for any storage or clothing that you decide to bring. Then I want to take you over to our first bathroom here. The bathroom has a nice soaking tub here, nice and deep, as well as the vinyl flooring as well. And then we'll go into the master bathroom and bedroom here. Just like the first bedroom, this one is all updated with new carpets, has that open window for the natural light, as well as this nice large walk-in closet with those shelves and hanging space for all the stuff that you have. And finally we have our master bathroom. Same as the first one, it has a nice soaking tub as well as this nice vanity area too. So now I want to take you back into the living room, and if you would like to set up a tour with Tuscany Apartments, feel free to give us a call at 402-320-3919 and talk with me and Corey, and we'd love to show you our new Isabella. Thank you.